Good morning guys, this is Daddy GM. Welcome back to my vlog. And nandito po tayo ngayon sa Bamban, Tarlac, which is a GOSHEN Resorts and Hotel. So magandang lugar po. This is our first time to be here. And maganda po ang ambience. Parang nandun ka sa ibang bansa tulad ng Italy and Mediterranean area. So this is the swimming pool. Maganda siyang tingnan. So, very good for family activities, family gathering, at saka mga gathering ng mga friends. So try to see the place. It's a very nice place. And while you are busy, find time to savor the place. Although medyo malayo siya from Manila, pero worth ang pagdating niyo dito sa place. That's good. Try to see. Look at the place. Very nice one. Okay, cut po tayo. Tingnan ninyo ang lugar. Nice for vacation. Right guys, punta tayo sa ibang lugar. Okay. And meron pang mga amenities dito na pwede po ninyong i-take care. Right? So mga places. Check, very nice. So sarap po natin, ito yung mga rooms for stay and guests, and may parking area din sa taas. Very organized po ang place, so there's no need for you to worry if you have some vehicles or transportation coming here. But guys, thank you so much and have a great day.